welcome to another video. I am Debbie. Today I have an unboxing from Amazon, and this is from a company called Toheto. They actually reached out and asked me if I would like to check out another light pad of theirs. I actually unboxed a very similar light pad to this one last year, and they said that they now have a new and improved light pad and asked if I would also like to look at this one. So I told them that I would be glad to. This is an A4 size light pad. It is very light. So if you wanted to take it somewhere, it would be easy to put it in your bag and take it with you. It is an LED light pad. It says draw what you see what you draw. It is eyesight protected. It has scale, ultra thin, and adjustable brightness. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. It does come with a cord, but you can either use that for a USB, or you can actually have, the other end, the plug part, and you can unplug that into an outlet. I have a Mac. Nothing ever works on my Mac, so I'm going to use the cord. Let's move that out of the way. It does have the feet on the bottom, so it doesn't scratch whatever you have it on. It is not wireless, unfortunately, but it's fine. And here's the instructions on how to operate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. The cord is rather long, so that is a plus. Let's see where the end is here. Right here. Okay. If you hold the button, it does have an adjustable light to it. It also comes with these two magnets. They're very lightweight. I mean, honestly, they're not very strong, as you can see, but it will hold back if you're using the release papers, or if you're using the plastic from your diamond paintings, it will hold that. I will probably use a cover minder instead of these. They are cute, look like little rolling pins. In addition to that, it comes with a pencil, and it comes with an eraser, and then also a pencil sharpener if you want to use that for tracing. And it has these cute little tracing sheets, and these are the same ones I believe that came in with last year's. I will also include at the top of the eye the link for that video of mine from last year if you want to compare the two. The main difference that I am seeing is that on last year's, it had a clip at the top, like right around here, and the clip would get in the way. I didn't use it that much because trying to work around the clip that was attached, it did not come off, that was a problem when I was diamond painting. It was always getting in my way, and so I just didn't really use the light pad as much as I did my others. But because this one doesn't have a clip, I'll more than likely use this one, or my daughter will, because I do like to use a light pad. So I won't use these. I will actually give these to my neighbor if she wants them. She's an elementary teacher. It comes with some blank tracing paper. She also has a light pad that she uses at her classroom. So let's check this out. I have Rochelle here, who's going to demonstrate for us. So, and Rochelle's from Hannah Lynn. If you have watched any of my whip and chats lately, this one I've been working on. I have just a little bit left and I am done. I was hoping to get this done before I did this one, but it'll be done soon. It does look very good. I'm looking through here. I can see all the symbols without any problems. I do like how this is illuminated. It's really good for your eyes. It doesn't have a glare. So I really do like that part. I like the fact that this is small. I do have a large light pad, and I mean, it's huge. It takes up quite a bit of my desk. That's one that I use in my craft room. This one I will use on a lap tray that I like to use in the evenings. And I'll just put this on here, and then whenever I want to move around to another section, I'll just, move it around. So like over here or wherever I need to go. So I like that for that reason, that it's going to be nice and portable. I will include the description in at the bottom for you. If you do use that link, I may receive a small commission from Amazon. Of course, it is never expected. It's always appreciated, but just wanted to let you know that I may receive a small commission from it. And again, I will put the other information at the top of the eye in case you want to check out their actual upgrade from here. And so that might be something, if you have that other light pad. I know several of you purchased that one because they were really bringing it out with a lot of creators last year. And so if you purchase that one, you may want to compare the one that you have now to this one. So that would be a thought for you as well. Thanks so much for watching this. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.